Hello, welcome back to Whiskey with E. I'm Eric now. It's a bit of a cold day today, so it's a bit rainy and miserable, so I thought, you know what, let's warm ourselves up, let's kill this bottle, and I'll give you my extra thoughts as we're killing it. So, one little note, I've noticed, it looks so light. Alright, so what happened was, I I I took out most of it and I put it into a little bottle. All right, so to keep it from oxidizing, so I put it into this bottle here. But looking at it, it's so light, guys. And then comparing it to the old one, I don't know if you guys can see. It's only ever so slightly, but anyways, all right, let's kill it. Light. Anyways, well, hope everyone's having a lovely day and keeping warm. Alright, so Knob Creek, 9 year. Will I buy this again? I don't know, guys. To be honest, maybe I would go for the Eagle Rare for the 90. But personally, if yous are in Australia, maybe pay the extra for the 13-year-old Wild Turkey Distillers Reserve. It must be because it's barreled at a lower proof, so it's just more, you can just tell there's more body to it. It's more complex. This just feels like it's a watered down version of something. But I'm not saying Knob Creek is bad. I haven't tried the 12-year-old, or I haven't tried the 15 or the 120 proof. That would be awesome. But I'm just judging this as a whole, and this as in here in Australia it's $96. So, and for 100 proof, you know. But that's why it always gets overlooked, guys. Now, if you're a Wild Turkey fan, you'd already know. You'd be going for the rare breed here in Australia. But let's just give it the final thoughts and have a little look, eh? Different glass. Almost nose is different. It's almost like I'm not getting too much out of this glass. I mean, there's a bit of orange note coming through. Like, it's only ever slow. Like, the vanilla's not even really coming out. It's only a slight caramel, but the main feature of light, the main feature of this is pretty much the peanut, the buttery peanut. Maybe my nose is broken. Yeah, now when you compare it, like, I must have a photographic memory or something. Like, I can smell something and I can tell what it is. But from my memory compared to other things, I know it's not really a fair comparison, 13-year to the 9-year, but that's even lower in proof. But that whole vanilla and the caramel really stands out in that. Whereas it's really dimmed here. You got the rye spice coming through, but it's the peanut. But let's just have it. Alright, guys. As Matt would say, down the hatch. What would I say? I'll just say cheers. Cheers, everyone. Knob Creek 9-year. Alright. I mean, since 1990, what did they say this was? Where did it say? Since 1992. Alright, so it's been 30 years since its first release. Well, cheers, everyone. guess the caramel comes through on the palate. But then it goes into a peppery rye spice. You know, you got that oak presence, but it's not like the leathery oak, like the tobacco note that we love. You know, it's the oak, but not leathery oak. If you know what I mean. Unprofessional, unedited, unscripted. But yeah, I mean, to be honest, guys, if you're in America and if this is $35 or whatever, then I'm sure it's worth it. You know, 9-year-old age statement, 100 proof. But here in Australia, 96. I mean, unless you get it for special. But yeah, hard to go past a rare breed, guys. But I think that's my extra thoughts on it. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another Knob Creek unless I see a 12-year-old one or a 15-year-old one, or you know, we don't get much here. I mean, I've tried the rye, yeah, but you know, there was only my third rye I've ever tried, so I can't really be like, was it good, was it not? You know, it was different to the ryes that I've tried. Like I tried the Woodford Reserve rye, Rittenhouse rye, and then you try the Knob Creek rye, which they're just all different. So hard to rate it, I guess. But cheers, everyone. Let's just finish it, eh? Yeah, like I say, with the water, with bourbon, I don't think it. I mean, unless it's a lot stronger, like the Bookers. The Bookers, you could take a couple of drops of water, it changes, you know. But this, to me, it just takes away the roughness. But then it just makes it go flat. But so I just enjoy it like this. But I'm sure this would go well over an ice cube, or mix it with Coke if you like. Drink it however you enjoy your drinks. Don't let anyone else tell you how to drink. But cheers, everyone. But remember, drink responsibly though. What time is it? Is this being responsible? Shh. It's 5 o'clock somewhere in the world. Right, guys? Alright, cheers, everyone. Yeah, that caramelness. But then it comes with that. There is that orange note. What would you call that? Citrus. It's like orange mixed with buttery peanut or something. And then it's like oak spices and pepper. But then the finish isn't overly long, you know, look. You know? And it's gone. Well, there you go. Another one bites the dust. But like I said, I saved some, so drop the cork. So that's why I say I bought those minis for this reason, you know. As bottles come to a low, extract it out, put it in a mini, try it later, whatever. But yeah, am I gonna get this again? I don't know. Is it a good bourbon? Yes, it's a great bourbon. It's a good bourbon at 100 proof with the 9-year-old age statement. I mean, hard to come across value, that's all, in the world. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying, you know, obviously I'm not going to go drink the Jim Beam white label. So anyone that wants to progress, I'm sure you'd try this and you'd probably think this is a better version of that. You're going to try Bakers and Bookers and maybe think that that's a better version of this, or I don't know. I just started reversed, so yeah. It's almost like we tried the good stuff first, so then it's hard to go back because you're like, a bit thin. Anyways, just my honest thoughts, guys. But if you see it out and it's a reasonable price and you wanted to try some Jim Beam product with a 9-year-old age statement at 100 proof, give it a try. But if you wanted to save money, then I maybe just go for the Wild Turkey 101. Or if you were going to spend the same amount, then just grab a rare breed. Can't beat a rare breed. Sorry, guys. Jesus. Maybe I am a Wild Turkey fanboy. Alright, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time. Drink more bourbon. Try more different things. Mix it with some Stro. Try some Stro. Stro should pay me. Alright. Cheers, everyone. I'll catch you all next time. Take care.